We are watching crude oil prices soaring as OPEC convenes in Vienna, now near session highs. Oil tracking for its best day since late 2016, giving the energy sector a boost along with it. Bob Iaccino, they told us they were going to add back 1 million barrels. It's probably more like 600,000, and the market thought it was oversold.
Yeah, crude oil's fun, isn't it? People are afraid of crude oil volatility, but it really comes down to it being a supply and demand game. They did not increase production enough to even cover what we've lost from Venezuela in the last 18 months, let alone the 240,000 barrels that we lost in Libya recently. So when you're looking at crude oil now, you're looking at supply disruption being much more likely than oversupply given the production levels. And you add into that over 96% refinery utilization now. That in the physical oil patch is considered unsustainable. So there is demand, whether you believe the estimates or not, the demand is growing as evidenced by the refinery production.
Iuorio, WTI hasn't touched 70 since late May. 65 was the sweet spot. Are we ready to ratchet that up a little?
Well, if you look at the long-term chart, it turned around at a completely reasonable level just south of 64, and it looks like it's heading above 70 in that long-term trend. From my fundamental side, disagrees with it. I think it suits OPEC better to say they're not going to add too much production, but then add more to try to keep the price up with their words and then make more money and increasing production. So I think this 68, 60 level right here, it turns around in the medium term to kind of figure things out before it starts heading any higher.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.